Asubanano etubusikina kesi ege untozi keda aichake peret itolomunio kesi alarona abolasio na Kongora High School bian apotenga reno koka ikuristayon edeke Akotokinos apugana etolomikini kesi da adakti emudu ayuar akwap
aina kenga jeno na kirono epunu aitopole kalia keda dar kalia ai meda onoto makoru keda bit da jeni ngobon banyo ngane e jauna ju lakini tono kristayon ka tono kanisa ka kere
menye kota pugan igwa kisodo kau e kama kimoiba sioda amwene kini sioda na piduna ne sabuni
sisi usiboron wepo epono la ju lakini tadama ne tunganan sisi apo boso bon bejitungi uninwe polo kedo petengesa deke lo yara kina pugan lo uni kini ngesa tunganan singa ge una shana kini ka kristayon o kere ebe kota mena na roge una ne jaji lopet
konyi kuna lipa pugani ite kwa timu la Alomar opera itopolo nara mamera subulu roke police ajula ka etreno idwelo pum
sasa ngara so okose sala nara je police e ja Ajore e ja ne pepe do ngesa ngari so kere
kati da una sone ija soda ichia popola no pipersa son asomi di obore tisu konyi kin soda ichie level
u apugani angana riso kati Ajore Burison police
sisi au sana be amena koni kwapo akapakina ijana kina koni kwapo
yaona ai budoyo isio ajeno ni busakinti sio angati kalia orasule putosi
anwa Yesu
e Bishop Michael Esakan lo anyana tena kokumi yeti abalebe e pote kwana iboro luka e kanisa ayuar.
Our mandate to establish this, having gone through the pain you have gone, you are free to establish a religion of your choice. But remember that as you do that, you don't conflict with the interests of others. For us to protect the rights of the communities of Church of Uganda, we are saying this course ought to take place so that we have a mandate to protect our faith, protect the liberties of our people, so that you are not beaten by anybody.
Apolone cholong LOC 5 ngora Michael Odongo Lasio yesi elipitebe iata kina tanyanyar aitutoro na Tony Okansilana lu o districtan.
We would like this to be rolled to all the councillors in the Kumbi diocese. I want to be a commander of one of the platoons. And if we can go to Chakwazi, that is even better.
Yes, of honor, the gallant patriots.
Abalebe echamakita kisil kanyine tunganan kero ko Uganda adumu na itutoro na a patriotism.
We thought that if we have a security committee to work with church, it will ease the work of reverence. As they are busy preaching, we also have another team which is busy maintaining security. A chairperson we chose of security for this diocese, who will also choose other committees in all archdeaconries and in all churches. Power Mike, come here. We sat together and they voted, but he passed unopposed.
We have given them their roles and we have an action plan to implement.
And the Vice President will present His Excellency's picture.
Minister lo chichi lo akimina EPA Sidonias Opolot Okasai lo abua ikiti atupiton a President Jessica Alupo yes abu isumun ayangara monyon netol mutosi itunga.
Ajene be ijae anyenyor nikini kanisa lo Church of Uganda. Kotone anyine be bongorone atupde la lwas aswa la soba tone ajaw ketao light monoro nuna telifiane alosenga ngare ne je Vice President ne je President dona anyine punele bongopunele teroni de jula kinani
Kanwa TV East Tolbert Edait Alarona Ongora High School Kongora District.